The warrior bugs featured in Robert Heinlein's original Starship Troopers novel have many key differences than those seen in the film and animated series universe. Pseudo-Arachnid Warriors are as intelligent as human beings and utilize energy-based weapons rather than physical attacks. They possess little armor and rely on wave tactics to overwhelm enemy forces through fighting on instincts without retreating. Even though they fight to the last man, they are still able to comprehend when the enemy has surrendered and will take prisoners. Warriors are telepathically connected to the brain bugs of their hive and are ready to sacrifice themselves by the thousands to prevent a leader caste from being captured. They are also much less savage than the warriors portrayed in Paul Verhoeven's film. Since warriors are able to breed quickly, they care little for the individual life of a fellow bug, which is why a mobile infantry soldier remarks they expend warriors just like we expend ammunition. In the novel, Juan Rico describes the warrior bugs as a madman's concept of a giant intelligent spider. Bugs are also able to see the infrared spectrum, which is why they are able to navigate the dark corridors of their underground bug colonies. The novel universe for Starship Troopers proved that the pseudo-arachnids were much more intelligent and spacefaring advanced than the ones seen in the live-action film series up to this date, and hopefully some of that can carry on in future adaptations. But what do you guys think of the warriors seen in Robert Heinlein's novel? Which version do you prefer? I think if they were to use the bugs as envisioned by Heinlein in the upcoming live-action reboot, it would be appropriate, as we've seen several films and media using the bugs designed by Phil Tippett and Paul Verhoeven. As always, thank you all for watching. My name is Nick, and if you desire to learn more about Starship Troopers, subscribe to Hybrid Network.